Hi everyone, today's video is so exciting. We're going to be going through the day with me as I follow my first time trying protein sparing modified fast. If you've ever done this, then you know it's hard and I'm going to try it. I'm not going to count calories, but I'm going to do my best not to eat any fat. So that is really challenging for me, and I have tried to do this video for like 5 years and I've never wanted to do it. So come with me all the way through the day and see what I think about the protein sparing modified fast. And at the end, I'll tell you if I think it's good for you or not. So stay all the way to the end and make sure and leave a comment if you've ever tried it and what you thought about it. So if you're not sure about the rules of the protein sparing modified fast, some people say you can eat eggs, but some people say you can't eat the whole eggs. You can only eat egg whites. So I think more people say you can eat eggs, but you just can't only eat like 2 or 3. You can't eat like a whole lot of it. So there's that. And then you can eat any kind of lean meat, like really, really lean meat, like chicken breast or like 93.7 ground beef or just like sirloin. And on mine, you'll see that I ate chicken and some really lean beef, some very lean chicken and very lean beef, and I had some eggs. So stay tuned to see how I made everything and what I prepared it and how I made it tasty, because when there's no fat, it's really gross. And I'll give you a recipe for making chicken breast not suck, and how to cook your sirloin without making it horrible. Also, some tips about boiled eggs. This is my Vitamix. I've got my cappuccino here, so I'm going to put it in my Vitamix. Okay, I'm gonna add my prime protein. So you just dump it in there. This is fat-free, basically, and a lot of protein in 1 scoop. It is 110 calories, 20 grams of protein. It's kind of like a protein coffee. This is strawberry, but it really isn't strong. It doesn't really taste like anything. Looks yummy. That's what I'm gonna have first. Here's a list of foods you can eat on the protein sparing fast: lean meats, eggs, also fat-free dairy, so veggies with no fat added. Okay, some of the sources say you can have boiled eggs and some of them say you can only have egg whites. But it's my first time to ever do this, so I'm just gonna have 3 eggs, and then the rest of the day I'll have no fat. So this is my favorite salt. You can use my code GrassFedGirl to save. Anyway, I boiled these until they were boiling, then I covered for 5 minutes so they get a little soft. I don't like them hard and they're still warm. So that is my first meal. Okay, I felt like having one more coffee, so I'm gonna use the peanut butter now. So I'm just gonna put this in here. And this scoop. And go. Some sirloin here. It's probably more than you're supposed to eat, but I'm not going to count calories today because it's my first time. So and maybe I won't even eat all this, I don't know. But anyway, I'm putting some salt, my favorite salt. You can use my code GrassFedGirl, and that's my sirloin. Just gonna wait for my grill to get up to 500, and then I'm going to cook it for a couple minutes on each side. Okay, let's see. It's been about 3 or 4 minutes. A little sear. Looks yummy. Very lean. And I got it about medium. I mean, I guess a little bit over medium. I don't know. It's hard when it's so lean. So you see a little pink there. All right, time to eat. I'm making my elements right now. I used 2 of these packets because this is a really big cup. But this flavor is back in stock now. Was just a limited time, but now it's one of the permanent flavors, so that's great. And I put 2 of these in my giant. This is kind of a fake Stanley cup. It's Ozark Trail from Walmart. Okay, now I'm making some chicken tenders. So I put 6 chicken tenders in there. I have mustard, and some stevia. I was thinking of making like a honey mustard kind of thing. So, okay, so I just put about half a cup of mustard in there, you can see, and then I'm gonna put maybe 10 drops, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 drops of stevia. This is the one I like. It's in my Amazon shop below. And I'm just going to mix it up like this. And I'm just gonna let it sit out for a while because it's a little bit frosty. So it's about 3 o'clock now. So we'll just let it sit out for a couple hours until dinner, and then I'll grill it. It's about 4 o'clock and we're about to go to the playground. So I ate some biltong, which is from Aldi. It's just like dried beef. It's very, very lean. It has 5 grams of fat in the whole thing and 90 calories. That's per serving. So this is 180 calories. So yeah, like I said, I'm not counting calories today. I'm just focusing on what I ate and eating like very, very lean. So I feel okay. I was worried about this time of day because it's the time like it gets snacky, but I'm feeling really good. So I'm just gonna make my chicken breast when I get home that I showed you, and we're gonna go to the playground and we'll do some steps. So we walk around the circle while my son plays on the playground. There's like a circle around it, so we'll get some steps. And yeah, I'm feeling pretty good. I don't know, you know, maybe if I did this 2 days in a row, I think I would start to feel pretty bad, but I feel fine today, and knowing that it's over soon will be, you know, helps. And you're not supposed to do protein sparing modified fast days in a row. You're supposed to do like maximum 3 days a week and not back to back. So I don't know if I will ever do it again, but this is proving that it's possible and I don't feel too bad. So we'll see if this is something I want to add into my routine. Here's my chicken tenders out on my grill. It's a beautiful night out here. And I'm just going to wipe off a little bit of the excess so they don't, they can boil, kind of like, when they have too much liquid, they won't cook right. So just kind of mop it off. Okay, I'm gonna turn them over now. Get a little color on them. Looking pretty good. Cook them a few more minutes. Okay, here's my chicken breast. It's pretty yummy. I just put it on the scale, and I guess that's 1 pound, 2 ounces. So I'll figure out how many calories that is. Okay, let's see the first bite. That's really good. Like honey mustard. Okay, I wanted to show you. This is what I ate yesterday. So 2 servings of protein powder, 3 eggs, 12 ounces of sirloin, 200 calories of jerky, and chicken tenders, just plain chicken breast. It was about a pound of chicken tenders for $7.50. So that adds up to about 2,000 calories, 2,100 calories. So, yeah, a little much, but it was really difficult for me to eat very low fat. So I think it was pretty good for my first day. Good morning. It's the next day after I did the protein sparing modified fast for 24 hours. I wasn't hungry last night, so I just went to bed. It was pretty easy, but again, I think I did over the calories you're supposed to do. Anyway, so I think I went over the calories, but I think I could do it again. Maybe I eat a little less, but it was a good tool in your toolbox to try. I do think if you overdid it, though, you could go into some dangerous, like, territory of disordered eating. You know, I have a lot of those patterns in my history with dieting and, you know, that's why I really don't like regimented programs where you count calories and stuff, because of my past, and I feel sick anytime like I have to do something like that. I get really anxious and stuff. So I could see where you could really go into a dark bad place with this. Let me know if you've tried it and that happened to you. But I think, 700 calories is not a good amount of calories. I mean, I can see that it's been more beneficial than just fasting because you're preserving muscle. Anyway, so I think you got to be careful if you decide to do this because you could definitely take it too far. You're only supposed to do maximum 3 days a week. So that would be the limit, 3 days a week. I think maybe I could do it 1 day a week, but I've had really good results on just eating beef only for like a whole month. Really good results, losing 10 pounds in 1 month. So I feel like that would be a lot easier for me than this. And it, takes care of the inflammation and all that. And egg whites especially are inflammatory for me. So if I ate a lot of egg whites, which is what this diet is known for, I think that would be really bad for my personal goals. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna do weigh-in tomorrow. I usually do it on Saturdays with my family because they're all trying to lose weight. So we'll see if I lost any weight this week. And anyway, hope this video was helpful. Please share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Really appreciate it. I got to 20,000 followers. Thank you. 20,000 subscribers. So that's good. Over 2 million views on my channel since I started. I started about 5 years ago when I started Carnivore seriously. So thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Please get my ebook, my Carnivore ebook, all about how to do the carnivore diet. It's really, really helpful if you are new. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.